Hey guys, and welcome back to the FNM studies. Today we're going to do another, like the same MNF studies virtual science lesson 1. We removed those videos because they weren't exactly that perfect or nice. So let's go. What are cells? What's in a cell? Cells are the basic building blocks of all animals and plants. Inside. Cells are various structures that are specialized to carry out a function. Both animal and plant cells have these components: cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, and mitochondria. So cell membrane. This surrounds the cell and allows nutrients to enter and waste to leave it. Nucleus. This controls what happens in the cell. It contains DNA, the genetic information that cells need to grow and reproduce. Cytoplasm. This is a jelly-like substance in which chemical reactions happen. Mitochondria. These are the powerhouse of the cell. They are structures where respiration takes place. Next is how are plants and animal cells different? Plants and animal cells have all the parts in the list above, plus a few extra structures. Cell wall. This is an outer structure that surrounds the cell and gives it support. This is a space within the cytoplasm of plant cells that contains sap. Chloroplast. These contains chlorophyll and are the site of photosynthesis. Here are some examples of a plant cell and animal cell in the pic below. So here's an animal cell and a plant cell. Nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, mitochondria, and cell wall and chloroplast. Let's get on with the next one. How big are cells? Cells can vary gently in size. Cells can vary gently in size. You need a microscope to see most human cells. Red blood cells are some of the smallest cells in the human body. These have a diameter of 0.008 mm, meaning a line of 125 red blood cells is only 1 mm long. The oven or egg cell is one of the largest cells in the human body. It has a diameter of roughly 0.1 mm, so you can see them without a microscope. A line of 10 egg cells is 1 mm long. Next is how do forensic scientists use cells? Forensic scientists collect skin, blood and hair cells from a crime scene. They analyze DNA from these cells and compare it to the DNA samples already collected from thousands of people. This helps them to identify suspects. After reading our information sheet, here is a quiz made for you. Quiz for what are cells.pptx. Our next science lesson will be about specialized cells. So let's see the quiz sheet. Quiz for what are cells? Question number 1. What do plant cells have that animal cells do not? Cytoplasm, cell wall, or cell membrane. Question number 2. How many cells do bacteria have? 1, 125, 75 million. Question number 3. In which part of the cell can DNA be found? 1, vacuole, 2, nucleus, and 3, cytoplasm. Question number 5. Question number 4. How many red blood cells can fit in 1 centimeter? 125, 1200, 500, 1250. And next is for the answers, please send your answers with question number 5. What are DNA profiles used for in criminal cases? Establishing the time and date, identifying the suspects, making the crime scene safe. For the answers, please send your answers with, please send your answers with a photo to mnfstudies257@gmail.com. So we are here for you, and please stay. Subscribe our channel, like it, and here's a tip for you. If you give the correct answers, we will do the next video of what you want. This video is done by Mimi Hanan and me. Mimi Hanan is giving all these pictures and I am the one speaking. So it's like a teamwork which is never going to give up. So to be safe, here's another tip. Drink water. Subscribe our channel and see you later. Bye.